Look at this delicious black soup. Keep on watching if you want to know how I make this delicious, yummy, easy black soup. Keep on watching, guys. Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How are we all doing? Hope we are fine, we are good. For my old-time subscribers and my new ones, I really appreciate you all for the love and the support you guys are giving us. Thank you, we really appreciate. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how an easy way and simple way I make my black soup. So keep on watching and just chill out, okay? Let me show you the easy and delicious way in making your black soup. So guys, I'm going to introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my delicious black soup, yummy one for that matter. So here is my ice fish and my prawn and my Maggi, salt, black bitter leaf. This is the main oga pata, and onion, scotch bonnet pepper. This is my stock fish and my dry prawn, and this is the banga I'm going to use, the red oil, palm oil I'm going to use. This is the meat. I've already started steaming the meat. So now I'm going to add water in. So now I'm going to start in chopping my onion and my scotch bonnet pepper. I'll blend it, and also this I don't need to blend it because it's the size I want. So you can blend your own to get that smooth, you know what I mean, smooth bitter leaf. So now I'm going to add my stockfish. I've added the stockfish and I'm going to add the oil I will use. So now I've added the oil, and I will stir and allow it to boil very well before I add water. So let's check. I'm going to add onion now. So I blend my onions and my scotch bonnet. So I'm going to add water now. So I'm going to stir. I will stir it very well. So I've stirred it very well. I'm going to cover it now to allow it to boil before adding other things. Let's check it. Wow. So I'm going to put the ice fish and the rum and stir. proper and gradually. So guys, we are going to cover it now. I'm going to cover it now and allow it to boil like 1 minute or 2. Guys, let's check. Wow, the aroma is too delicious. So I'm adding the dry plum now. I did not blend it, so I'm going to stir. Guys, don't be offended because I'm using one hand to hold my camera, using the other one to hold turn the soup, so please pardon me. So guys, I'm going to add my leaf now and stir. Be careful when stirring it. You know there is fish inside. So now I'm going to test and add salt. And Maggi. I'm going to add salt. And Maggi in. So I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggi, and you stir. So I'm going to test and check if there is anything. Wow, guys, this soup is delicious. Wow, our black soup is ready to eat. So I'll cover it for some time, just about 1 minute, and allow everything to boil together. So let's check. Voila, our black soup is ready. I'm going to off the gas now. thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, okay guys, and be good. Bye, love you, ciao.